My name is Charlotte Johnson. I work at Pitstop Play School. I've been working in at Pitstops for 3 months now. I'm currently studying a level 2 with Apprenticeship with Parenta, and I've also done my level 1 with them. Planning to carry on and do my level 3 with Parenta after my level 2. I picked Parenta as my training provider because I've always been interested in childcare and connection gave me the option to go. I feel the benefits of doing the apprenticeship instead of going to college is having the hands-on experience, because you know that that's what you want to do rather than sitting in a classroom just writing all day. Yeah. My assessors have really helped me by being there whenever I had to them through calls, texts and emails, and just supporting me with my choices and work. I just really recommend it because you're getting paid to do something you love, hopefully, anyway, and get hands-on experience instead of doing the work.